2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, universal garage door opener, trip computer, security system, compass, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, remote keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.